How to tie the violin bend. So to tie the violin bend, as you can see, I've got two ropes laid side by side on my table. The working end is going to the top there and the standing part is coming towards me. And what I'm just going to do is just feed a little bit through out of the way. And now we're going to actually tie the bend itself. So I take my left hand or red one and pass it over my yellow rope and allow it to cross at this point here. Once I've done that, I then take the red one and I pass it underneath the yellow and bring it around to the top again. So that's the first bit done. Working ends are still at the top there. And now what we need to do is we need to grab hold of the standing parts of both the red and the yellow and just bring them together at this point. Next thing I do is I take the yellow working end and I pass it around and over everything to the right hand side. And what we're looking for is just make sure you've got a bit of a loop at this point here, because the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our working end of the red one, we pass it underneath the yellow working end, and then we go underneath everything, but then pass it through that loop at that point there. So take it underneath everything, bring it up through that loop, and once you've done that, we have now created our violin bend. And all it leaves now is for me just to tighten it up nice and tightly, and you can pull it up as tight as you like, because the beauty of this knot, it's simple to tie and it's also easy to untie even if it has been heavily loaded. And just to give you a bit of recognition of what you should be seeing when you've tied it, I'll just do it this side and then turn it over, and you can see now here we have the violin bend.